Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'm going to show you how to clean the filter and possibly resolve your issues with your Beko washing machine. So first things first, make sure that your Beko is off and unplugged from the wall. Bottom right you'll have this door, so there's the washing machine there, bottom right there, and you just pull that lid over there, and what you'll find, and my one's loose, but you'll have a little pipe there which is a drainage pipe. Okay, see that little cap there? You want to be removing that. To pinch that, it will take a while to come off. Okay, let me just do that. So if I take that cap off, I've loosened this so it's easy to see, but then you can see water will start coming out of it. And what you want to do is obviously get a bucket or a little pan ready and just drain that out. Okay, now it will come out slowly and you'll find that lots of bits of gunk and stuff come out of it. Do let it run its course, because basically what's happening is any water that's at the bottom of this drum, you want to get out of it, because that's the filter in there. Okay, so let me pause this and I'll show you when I get back to it how much water has come out. As you can see, I filled up about that much, and it took about half an hour, so it does take a while. And you know, unfortunately the design of this, the actual hose at the top, you're not going to be able to get all the water out of it, and when you take out the filter you'll see that. So the thing to do now is put the plug back on that, tuck it away, and then the next step I'll show you. Okay, so you've drained it, I've put this pipe back in here. Now what you want to do, and what I'd recommend, is put some kind of tea towel down underneath here, because there will be a bit of water that comes out, and then you turn it anti-clockwise, go in that direction. Okay, there you go. There comes the last gunk water, and that's your filter there. Okay, so as you can see, load of water came out. Try and get your finger in there, clear out some of this gunk. Yeah, and you'll feel inside there is the impeller, and then that's it. So this is your filter, and if you find you've got a blockage, then it will find itself away in here. Put it back. Simple. Turn it until you're happy it's gone that far. Okay, and that's it. That's how to clear out a filter and clear any blockage that you've got. As you can see, even when I drained it all out, still quite a bit of water come out of the bottom there. Okay, that's it. I hope you've liked. Please do like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.